And a look at the morning's weather. Behind you, finally at the seaside, some sunshine, Carol.
Indeed, yes. Thank you, Nina. Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. If you're just stepping out, we have a real difference in the temperatures north to south. In Swanage at the moment, it's 21 Celsius. In Estill though, it's only 3 degrees. So a big 24 difference in temperature north to south. And this 21 in Swanage does feel quite muggy. Now, what we're looking at today is another dry day, another sunny one, and another warm one for most. However, we are looking at a thunderstorm risk in the southeast of England, and we could see some torrential downpours in a short amount of time, which could lead to some localised flooding. But not all of us, of course, will see that. So we're starting off with a lot of dry weather. At times, we'll have cloud rolling in from the North Sea and the onshore breeze across northeast England and northeast Scotland. A cloudier day too across Northern Ireland than we've seen recently. But we've also got a few showers across the Channel Islands. They're going to be making their way, drifting up towards the southeastern corner of the country. And this is where the thunderstorm risk is. Temperatures today 14 to about 28 or 29 degrees, but there is a chance we could see 30 or 31 degrees, somewhere like the West Midlands, Gloucestershire, in towards the West Country as well. Glasgow 22 degrees, under the cloud in Belfast, where we see any sunnier breaks come through, we could get up to about 20. And as we head on through the evening and overnight, once again, we'll see some thunderstorms develop. Some of them will become more widespread across England and Wales, but rather like today, not all of us will catch one. But if you do, it could be torrential. Again, there's the risk of localised flooding. The Met Office has a yellow weather warning out for this. Out towards the west, a weather front coming in is going to introduce thicker cloud across Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, and just the odd spot of rain. And it won't be as cold a night in parts of Scotland as it was last night. Come further south, we still are in the muggy conditions. So tomorrow we start off with those thunderstorms. They will push away into the North Sea. Then there'll be a bit of a lull. But as temperatures rise, we'll see further thunderstorms develop. Again, not all of us will see them. The greatest risk is across England and Wales. It will be drier across Scotland and also Northern Ireland. But you can see this weather front not too far away. These are the temperatures tomorrow, 22 in Aberdeen, 28 as we push down towards London. But it's after that we start to see a change in the weather behind a cold front that's coming in. It's going to start to introduce some fresher conditions, as you can tell from the yellows here. So that leads us into a different kind of day. On Friday, it will still be dry. It will still be quite sunny as well across eastern areas, and it will still be quite muggy as well. But here's our weather front slowly coming in from the west, bringing its rain with it. It will slowly be pushing eastwards as we go through the course of the day. And these are our temperatures once again. 21 in Aberdeen and Glasgow, 20 in Belfast. We're looking at about a top temperature of 28 in London. And then that leads us into the weekend. So the weekend is looking a little bit more unsettled as low pressure comes in from the west. High pressure clings on to the southeast, but it will feel fresher than it has done. John and Nina.
Thank you, Carol. It feels like I've picked the right weekend to get the tent out and test it in the garden, because we can have a little bit of everything.
Can you see that?
Yes,
Carol, thank you. Thank you.